Okay, so now that we have our Jupyter notebook open, okay, what we need to do is simply go into Jupyter, and then you could always write your code like import pandas spd, and then to execute this you could always click here run, or else you could also come in here and do a control enter. Alright, so that does the same thing. Okay, so yeah, so that's the first thing, and then when you hit enter you automatically get a new cell. But what you could do is, if you want to add more cells, you have options over here that you can go and do this, but then you also have shortcuts which you could use. So for example, I want to insert a cell above this, so I would just go in, click here, press escape, and then press A, so you have a new cell above the cell. And then if you want to do it below, insert a cell below, so then click escape and then B. So these are the shortcuts which are very handy when you're working on Jupyter. Let's say I don't want to work on this cell and I want to delete it, so I press escape and then DD, and then that deletes it. So yeah, so that's how I deleted everything. Alright, so that's one of the things. So now you're in the code mode, and then you can always go down to markdown like this, and then write a heading over here. Okay, another way that you could go into the code mode from the keyboard itself is press escape and then press M. So now you see it automatically changed to markdown. So these are the few things where you can manipulate things. If you want to run all the code in your Jupyter notebook together, then just restart and run all, and that works. So these are the main things, but then now let's look at the markup and how you can work with headings, bullets, list, and stuff like that, right?